Good morning. Are you all there? Good morning. How are you, Bilal?
Fine, ma'am.
Okay.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Ikra beta. How are you?
Fine, ma'am. How about
Ma'am,
you?
today is English test, na ma'am?
Yes, English. No, first we'll check the revision and then I'll take a test, okay?
Ma'am, we had to do the young fox and the
I had
prefixes.
said the revision. No, I will discuss. You all have written the answers, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let all of them join. Musa, how are you? Fine? Feeling sleepy?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Hina. How are you?
Fine, ma'am. How about you?
I'm okay, beta. You have come back now to your hometown?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes,
very
ma'am.
good. Very good. Good girl. Okay. Now I'm going to that Google Classroom and I'm sharing that homework which I had given you all. I want to check the answers. Okay, beta?
Okay, ma'am.
This, you all can see the screen?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
You all can see the screen. Okay. Okay, first answer. Who knows the first answer? Which three senses
Ma'am,
does
me
the fox?
Hina. Ma'am, me Hina.
Okay,
Ma'am, me
come on,
Hina.
Hina. Raise your hands if you all know the answer.
Ma'am.
One by one, fast we'll discuss the answers. Okay, beta? Which three senses does the fox use to check for danger? Hina, tell me.
Sight, hearing, and smell are the three
Three
senses
senses.
the fox uses to check for danger.
Very good. Next, make a
Ma'am,
list of all the words. Now, if you all want this, if you all don't
Good
know this
morning, ma'am.
answer. Yes,
Ma'am,
beta?
I know.
All of you know
I
this
know.
answer?
Ma'am, I know.
Wait.
I
Same
also.
person don't give the
Ma'am,
answer. No other person will give the answer. Madiha, you know the answer, Madiha?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, make a list of all the words that rhyme in the poem The Young Fox.
Head, shed, ear, near, tail, smell, right, night, leaps, creeps.
Excellent, very good. Next, how does the fox tells if there is any dangerous smell?
ma'am,
Yes,
ma'am. The
yes,
fox sniffs, ma'am. The fox sniffs.
yes. He ships with his sharp nose and he smells. Okay, he smells if there is anything dangerous. Yes, yes or no? See if you go in the poem on
Yes.
page 46, first, second, third.
Yes.
Okay, the third paragraph, this you'll find.
Good
Its
morning,
sharp,
ma'am.
good morning. Its sharp nose sniffs the air and tells if there are any dangerous smells. Okay, is that clear? Yes. Everything is in the poem only, beta. Nothing is from outside. If you read the poem, you will find the answers. Is that clear?
Yes,
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
next question 4. What does the fox do if it senses it's safe?
ma'am.
Ma'am,
Can I
ma'am.
say ma'am?
Okay, Bilal.
When the once the fox senses it is safe, it leaps and then it no, it leaps and then it creeps across the field.
Across the field. Very good. Okay. And one more thing. Suppose I have given you some answer. Okay. All right. But you can write the answer in your own words also. Okay. I will give
Okay,
you
ma'am.
marks as long as you have written the right answer. Is that clear? Understood?
Yes,
Arhan,
ma'am.
Musa, Hina, Nida, Madiha. I think Hinda had come, no? Where Hinda, why your video is off?
Oh, ma'am, I haven't sent photo of my homework, ma'am. I'll send today.
You send it today, no problem. And please,
Ma'am, we only had to do the young fox and prefixes only.
yes. And please, what, beta? What? Somebody is asking me, beta, something. I cannot understand who's talking.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am, it is Ikra.
The second one answer, I have not checked what you said.
Second is rhyming words. Madhya, say the answer again.
What, ma'am?
Rhyming list of rhyming words from the poem.
Head, shed, ear, near.
Others, mute yourself. Mute yourself.
Ma'am, I said
No, wait. Let Madhya say, beta.
head, shed, ear, near, tell, smells, right, night, leaves,
Creeps and creeps. If you see in the poem, the last words. Okay? The last words. Those are the rhyming words. What, beta?
Head, shed.
Yes, head shed. Yes, right. All the last words, those are rhyming words. Those are pairs of rhyming words. Hamad Ansari, you're not supposed to join here. Please go to Armstrong. Hamad. Okay, next. Next question is, I think the meanings, no? Okay, the first meaning.
Yes.
Yes, who knows the first meaning? Creeps.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, Mihna.
Okay, Nida, tell me the answer, beta.
wait, ma'am. Ma'am, can I say?
No, wait, let her say, beta. Come on, Nida, quickly.
To move along with body prone and close to the ground.
Yes, but I don't want you all to copy and say, don't see the answers and tell me, beta. You all have to learn now because your exams are coming, right? Next month are your exams, second week. Yes, so I don't want you all to see and tell me the answers. I want you all to memorize,
I
understand
have
the answer
memorized
and
the
tell
answer.
me.
I memorized the answer.
memorized the answer.
Very good. Second one, Hinda, second one, peer.
Ma'am, the possibility of can I say?
No, peer.
That is danger.
Yes.
The actual sound of
To look.
Ma'am.
sound of drawing and
No, beta, peer. P-E-E-R. Arhan, say Arhan.
Yes, ma'am, I know, ma'am. Ma'am, to look carefully or with difficulty.
Then why am I getting confused? Okay. Next one, Arhan. Danger. Arhan.
Ma'am, can I say sneeze one?
Yeah, next one.
Ma'am,
You
can I
say first.
tell?
Let him say Arhan.
The possibility to harm or touch to someone.
Very good. Next, Madhya, you want to say?
Yes.
Okay, sniffs. Hina, why you're quiet? Hina, you're not saying the answer.
Ma'am, I was saying.
No, everybody has to participate in the revision. At least you will come to know that you know the answers better. Okay? Please
The
participate.
Okay, ma'am.
Try to say. Even if you know half the answer, try to say better. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, sniffs.
Yes.
Come on, Madhiha.
The act or sound drawing air into the nose in sharp breath.
Okay. Now, Musa, add prefixes to the following words. First one, happy.
Unhappy.
Next
Ma'am,
one.
can I tell?
Yes,
Ma'am, can I
Nina,
tell? Ma'am, can I
comfortable.
tell? Dislike. Ma'am, dislike.
No, comfortable.
Dislike.
Third one.
Yes, ma'am. Comfortable.
Uncomfortable.
Uncomfortable. Like,
Uncomfortable.
dislike. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, Ikra. Tell me safe, Ikra. Safe.
Dislike.
Safe.
Safe.
Huh.
Ma'am, I say
Yes, Nida.
unsafe.
Unsafe. Very good. Allow.
Can I say the fifth one?
Yes, allow. Nida.
Disallow.
Disallow. Okay. So now you all are clear with this revision. Any doubts? No
No.
doubts. Okay. Clear. Okay. And arrange in order also. I had given you all, no, from 7 to something. Arrange in order.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, that alphabetical order.
Wait, let me remove that page 1 minute.
That was homework.
Yeah, I'm removing that page 1 minute.
Ma'am, you have given a no. What? Where is it? Wait, ma'am.
7 from 7 number I've given you all.
Yes, ma'am. 7 to 12.
Just 1 minute. I'm removing that question, beta. Okay. Now from 7th one. Who has done the 7th one? Castle, candy, cow, coal.
Me, ma'am.
Ma'am, me,
Ma'am, I have
Lina.
not done.
Me,
Can we do today, ma'am?
Do
Because
it
I-
No.
now, fatafat, all of you, come on.
Ma'am, I know. Can I tell?
Yes, first mute, 1 minute. First mute yourselves. Who knows the answer? Raise your hand. Can you all see the screen, beta? Can you all see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
see, I'm explaining this again. Listen to me. Castle, candy, cow, and coal. All have C. All have C. So leave the C. Go to the second alphabet. Second, CA, CA. Okay? And the third one has CO. Fourth one has CO. According to A, B, C, D, which comes first? A. Yes, A comes first. Yes or no? So you have to see castle and candy. But again, AA is same. So go to the third alphabet. S and N. Which comes first, beta? In A, B, C, D?
N.
N?
N.
N. So first is candy. Second is castle. Write down the answer. Candy, castle. Write down the answers. Candy or and castle.
Ma'am,
Yes,
I
beta.
have done already.
Okay.
I have
And
done
then now
already.
next what will come? Cow or coal?
Ma'am, can you say from
Yes.
Ma'am, coal.
Next is coal,
Coal.
and then cow. Very good. Coal and cow. All right.
Ma'am,
Now next one, 8th one. Hinda, we have already completed 1 to 6. I will not repeat that. 7th one I showed you now.
network problem.
I just now showed the answer. Candy, castle, coal, and cow, beta. Candy, castle, coal, cow.
Not that, ma'am, the first one.
No, the first 6 we have already done that day. We have completed that day. Okay, I have to do quickly because we have already.
Which page number it is? Which page
It is not page number. I have shared it on Google Classroom. I had done this in the class also that day, beta. Okay.
Ma'am, I know that we have did this, but I don't know. I can't see in my book wherever I did it.
I don't know, beta. Then that is your problem, no? Because I cannot see a book from here. You need to search where you have written the answers. Okay. Now next one, 8th one. Now again, who will explain this? Can Bilal you
Ma'am,
explain
me,
it to
me.
us? Okay, Bilal will explain.
me.
Come
Ma'am,
on.
it is a paper, so
No,
A
Bilal.
will-
First explain that all are P, P, P.
Okay, all are P, 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 and P.
Okay.
So
Second alphabet is again A. Yes.
yes,
So we'll
ma'am.
go to the third alphabet. All right. Now, according to the third alphabet, check which comes first. A, B, C, D. So which will come first?
Ma'am, A and second will G come, ma'am.
First
G
is
will be
page,
second.
no?
And I drink water.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Page and then pen. Pen,
Ma'am, I
Right.
drink water.
page, yes. Page, pen, and then
Paper.
paper and paste. Yes. Paper and then paste. Please write it down. I'm not going to say again. Write it down now only.
Ma'am,
Page,
say again.
page, pen, paper, paste. Page, pen, paper, paste. Okay? Completed? Now the next one. Hamza, can you tell us the next answer?
That's number.
Come on, Hamza. All are R-O. So which alphabet will you check? Third alphabet. Yes? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so according to the third alphabet, which is the first answer?
Ma'am, the first one is
R-O-M-O.
Rome, ma'am.
Rome.
Rome, ma'am.
Yes, Rome.
Rome.
Then next is what?
Rock.
R-O-C-K,
ROCK,
rock.
rock.
Yes. And third one?
Rock.
R-O-D-E, road.
Yes,
And the
ma'am.
fourth one is R-O-S-E, rose. Yes, I will repeat the answer. Rome, rock, road, and rose. Okay? Completed?
Ma'am, can I do the
hope.
next one?
Nida, what are you having? Lollipop?
Ma'am, can I say the second one?
Bad
The next one.
manners. Yes, Syed, are you saying something, beta?
Can I say the second next one?
You can try the next one, beta. 10th one. Come on, try.
All of the starting ones are starting to see. So
With
we're
S-E.
going to
S-E.
SE. So
Okay.
then
Check the
we'll
third
have to do
alphabet.
the third number alphabet. First is SEAL, seal.
Seal. Very good.
SEED, seed.
S-double-E-D, seed. Very good. Next.
SEL, and then
S-E-double-L, cell. And the last one?
and then
S-E-N-D,
Send.
send. Okay, I'll repeat the 10th answer. S-E-A-L, seal. S-double-E-D, seed. S-E-double-L, cell. And the last is S-E-N-D, send. Is that clear? Musa, try the 11th one, Musa. Are you there, Musa, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
I want you to try the 11th one.
In the 11th one, all of them have T.
T-O, beta.
So-
T-O. So go to the
T-O.
third alphabet.
So
Yes.
third,
Okay.
and there is O, A, Y, and L. So toad comes first.
Which
No,
one will
not
come
tall, not-
first?
Toad.
Tall.
Toad. First T-O-A-D, toad will come. T-O-A-D.
Yes.
Okay. Yes. First is toad. Second.
Took.
Took.
Took. Yes. Took will come. Then
Then
T-O-double-L, toll.
tall.
Yes. And the
Then
last one,
toys.
toys. Very good.
Toy.
I will repeat the answer. 11th one. T-O-A-D, toad. Then T-double-O-K, took. Then T-O-double-L, toll.
please,
And T-O-Y-S, toys.
Can I do the next one?
Yes, do the next one, Bilal. Come on, quickly.
Now on the 12th one, each every word has BU in it. So the first
the
one
third
will
alphabet.
be BUCK.
Buck.
No.
Yes.
BZ.
No, B-U-C.
Z
First
is at the
ABCD.
last. BUCK.
Buck, yes. Then
And
B-U-D-G-E.
the second,
Budge.
yes.
Okay, then next, Bilal.
BULL.
Bull. Okay. And the last one.
BUZZ. Buzz.
Okay, B-U-double-Z. I'll repeat the answer. First is buck, budge, bull, and buzz. Is that clear? All of you?
Ma'am, I'm not done.
Write it down, beta.
Done, ma'am. And I have done.
Yes, okay.
Done, ma'am.
Yes. Now
Ma'am, one homework, another homework you have given.
that I know, beta. I remember. Page number 98, punctuation.
Ma'am, can I tell? Ma'am, can I tell?
Punctuation, no?
Yes.
Yes, punctuation?
No.
Yes, I'd given that
Yes.
homework. Punctuation. Page 98, beta. The first one, Hina, tell me the answer.
Ma'am, you need to put a stamp on that letter the man told her.
Okay. First, what will you do?
That Why we have no? We will put
Put it
capital
capital
letter.
and open
Yes,
the
ma'am.
inverted commas, double inverted commas.
Yes.
You
Yes,
need to
ma'am.
put a stamp on that letter, comma,
We will put
close
comma.
the inverted commas.
Comma.
The man
Yes.
told her, full
Told
stop.
her. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Next, second one. Bilal, try the second one, page 98.
Ma'am, I don't have a textbook, ma'am.
Okay, you want me to share the page, matlab the screen?
And I
Yes.
have.
Wait 1 minute, huh? Just give me a moment.
Linda.
Who's making that noise? Some small child is there. Whose brother or sister?
Me, sister.
Show me your brother or sister. Show. Lollipop is eating. What's your name? What's his name?
Bushra.
It's a girl. She's a girl.
Yes.
Arey, but tomboy. I thought it's a boy.
No.
Okay. Chalo, can I open the lesson now and show you all?
Ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes.
I have done this.
What, beta? Page 98. Come on, page 98. If you all are having the textbooks.
Ma'am, Linda, I have opened it.
Okay, good girl. Very good girl.
I also, ma'am.
Good girl.
Ma'am, me too.
Oh, all are good girl. How many good girls I have, Baba? See this one, page 98. Okay, the first one.
Ma'am, I can't
You need
see.
to put a stamp on that letter the man told her. Second one, Bilal, can you read?
I can't see.
Bilal, you all can see the screen?
Yes, ma'am. We can't see.
Huh?
Ma'am.
Wait, again I'm sharing, beta. Wait. Now can you all see?
Ma'am, I see.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Second one, start, Bilal.
Yes, ma'am, I'm going on page 98.
I'm sharing it on the screen, beta.
You're sharing it on the screen. Okay.
I've already shared it.
Which one, ma'am? The second
B1,
one?
beta. B1.
Ma'am, the first one will be capital A, ma'am.
First is
R.
done. Now second B1 you have to do.
Yes, ma'am.
I will.
Ma'am, the
I'm
first.
reading the question. You tell me the answer. Are you sure you have the right address? She inquired.
Ma'am, first there will be open inverted comma, and
Yes,
then there
double
will be
inverted commas. Open
capital
them. Capital A. Okay.
and then there will be capital A in R.
Yes. Are you sure you have the right address? She's asking a question. So put a question mark. Here, put a
Yes.
question mark. Close the inverted commas. Yes. And she inquired, put a full stop. Is that clear?
Yes.
Ma'am, can I do the last time? The
Yes,
last word?
C1. C1. Hinda, now C1 you do, beta.
Okay, ma'am. The boy chased the van shouting, "Stop, I have an important letter." The T will
It will
be
be
the capital
capital.
and the
See.
change the van. Ma'am, after stop there will be like,
After stop, comma. Okay.
yes ma'am, stop,
And
comma.
then S, then I will be capital.
Yes ma'am. And
Put
I have an
inverted
important
commas.
letter. After letter there will be inverted comma and full stop.
Very good. But perfect. Next one. Oh no, we have missed the post. Yell the boy.
Ma'am, I want to say it again.
Okay, say Hinda. Try.
Oh no, we have missed the post.
Comma.
The boy.
Comma. Yeah.
Comma, the boy. After that, there will be full
Full
stop.
stop.
after
And
that.
oh no, till the
Oh, no.
post,
Oh, no.
it becoming
Also, there will be
inverted
comma.
commas. Okay.
Commas.
Yes, very good. Very good. So now we have completed revision today of the young fox and prefixes. Okay.
Yes.
Now
Ma'am,
I'm
can we
giving
do
you.
Abdullah?
Now I want to. matlab, I will tell you which lesson we are doing now. Revision. Okay.
Ma'am, this one.
Okay. Oh, see today. No, you'll do one thing. You'll write down the portion. All of you write down the portion. Come on.
Okay, ma'am.
Which is coming for the exam. Write it down.
Ma'am, let me take out the book.
Take out your beta English notebooks and write down the portion there.
Ma'am, we had to do the young fox and the Balinese folktale, and then what
That
was
I
it?
can take later on also, Bilal. But first, I think it's better I give you all the portions so that you all can start revising better. Okay? Is that okay? I'll take the test. Don't worry. Now all these days
Okay.
are for revision only. I'm going to do proper revision. I want full marks of all of you. Excellent marks I need. Okay. Now the portion. What happened to this?
It is stuck.
Suddenly it, yes, okay. Shall I write it on Word and send the portion on Google Classroom also? Yes?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
Yes,
so it will
yes,
be
ma'am.
better, no? Then we will not lose the portion. Okay, give me a moment. I'll write it on the Word document only and then send it to you all. Why my this is opening so slowly?
And we can't see anything.
I know it is not opening only. That's why I'm also waiting, beta. Once it opens, I will share. It has opened now, beta. I'm sharing now, okay?
No, ma'am, we can't see anything.
Wait, I have not shared, beta. It has not opened. It's so slow today. I don't know why. 1 minute, huh? Okay, now I'm sharing. If you all can see, let me know. Can you all see now?
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Now let me
Yes,
just
ma'am.
file. I don't know what is happening. All right. Can you
Ma'am.
see now? Now?
Yes, ma'am.
Somebody is fighting in our building, so I can hear the noise. So loudly they are fighting over here. Okay. The young fox. Okay. If I'm missing something, you all tell me, okay? If I'm doing something, if I'm missing out something. Young fox, then a Balinese folk.
Ma'am, that two
Okay.
page will come, no? And Balinese folktale and the
Both the
golden
lessons will come. A golden bird and Balinese folktale. Okay. I'm writing directly the names. See, the young fox. Then in traditional tales, we have this Balinese folk tales and a golden bird. Yes, right?
Yes.
Okay, and
Yes,
then
ma'am.
after
Yes.
that, directly we have done sharing cultures. Yes? Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And that keep in touch. We
Ma'am.
had, We had
Yes,
a
yes.
letter this, no? We had done that. So I'm not including that lesson. Keep in touch.
Okay, ma'am.
Because we had done that authentic assessment on that, no? That is why it will not,
Yes.
that is excluded. A golden bird. Directly now, after golden bird, you all will write sharing cultures.
Ma'am, can you write?
Yeah, I'm writing, beta. 1 minute. I'm just checking once again in my book. Okay? SHARING, sharing cultures. Is that clear till here? Yes?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
And then now, grammar. See, this you can put it as English. Okay, and this grammar. Okay. All right. Now
Yes,
in grammar, anybody remembers all
Ma'am,
the topics?
prefix.
No,
Ma'am,
I've written all
prefix.
the topics. You tell me whether it is right or not. Yes, yes. Prefix.
Irregular
And,
verbs.
yes. Wait, I'll just tell you. I've written everything ready. I've made the portion ready. I will tell you the portion. You all tell me if I've missed out anything. Because I can also make mistakes. Okay, first is prefixes. Yes, we have done this,
Yes.
right? And suffixes.
Suffixes.
Yes, very good. Second
Synonyms.
will be synonyms. Yes. Third,
Yes.
speech marks. Yes.
Yes.
And then irregular verbs. Irregular verbs.
Then alphabetical order.
Yes. And the last is alphabetical order. Very good. I'm so happy you all know the portion. Good children. Very good. So this is your portion. I have given you all the portion. Now, according to this, you all need to revise everything. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, there should be no doubt what is going to come for the exam. Miss, we don't know. Ma'am, we don't know. I have shared the portion with you all. Is that clear? Yes?
Yes.
Any
Yes.
doubts? Acha, now out of all this. Yeah, beta, it's here only. I'm not going. What is today's date, beta? 14?
Yes.
I'll put the date also so that you all know I had given you all on the 14th of December. 14/12/2021. Okay? I've put the date also. I've given you all the portion almost 1 month in advance.
Ma'am, can you do down?
Yes. Now you all can see, beta.
Yes.
So total, see, we have 4 lessons, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 topics of grammar. All right?
Yes.
Okay.
Ma'am, not 4 lessons, only 3 lessons because that
Balanisi folktale, Golden Bird, there are 2 parts in
are
that.
same.
No,
Ma'am,
there
are
are 2 parts,
same.
no, but
Oh. Yeah, ma'am.
according to the parts I'm saying, beta. Okay? All right?
Okay.
Okay. Completed
Yes.
now. Shall I stop the sharing?
Ma'am, meanings also.
That is all in the lesson only. I'm not going to write meanings and all and tell you.
When can you show it
Okay.
again?
1 minute, 1 minute. Hinda, I'll just save this and
I'm not jealous. I think so.
okay. Now can you all see?
Punctuation.
Speech marks, that is same.
Ma'am, plural, singular and plural.
That we have forgotten. That we'll write it down. Wait. Singular and plural. Anything else? Please check. All of you, if I've left out anything, beta.
Ma'am, a Maori legend, ma'am.
That is
It's done.
that is there, no, included, no?
Yes, sharing
Yes,
culture.
ma'am.
Sharing cultures, Bilal.
It is. Okay.
Sharing cultures, no? Maori. In that's full lesson will come, Maori. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, that's all. This is the portion. I want you all to start preparing. Now I'm just asking you all few meanings and some questions. Let me see if you all know this. General. I'm just asking. What?
The last one. I am writing.
Who's writing?
Me, Madhi,
Write it down
It is
quickly.
singular
beta.
and plural.
Wait 1 minute.
Thank you, Bilal.
It is singular and plural. Completed, beta? Okay. Can I ask, can you give me the plural of foxes? Sorry. Can you give me the plural of box?
Ma'am, Hina. Boxes.
Okay. Next one. WIFE, wife. What is the plural of wife?
Wives.
Okay. Who knows the spelling?
WIVES.
WIVES. Okay, Bilal. Good. Okay.
WIVES.
Next. FOOT.
Foots.
Foot.
What is the plural?
Foot.
Feet.
Yes.
F.
FOOT will become FEET. Feet. Okay. Okay.
Feet.
Next. MAN. Man.
MENS.
Men. Very good. Okay. Ox. OX. Ox.
Men. Ma'am, I
Ox.
told.
Ox.
Oxes, ma'am.
Oxes.
Oxen. Very good. Okay. Child. Child.
Yes.
Children. Very good. Okay. Grass. GRASS. Grass.
Grasses.
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 GRA
Very
double.
good. Okay.
Hmm.
Next one. Tooth. TOOTH. Tooth.
Teeth.
Teeth. Okay. Okay. Next.
Ma'am, is this coin from India?
What, beta?
Is this coin from India?
That is 1 rupee coin, na?
No, ma'am, it's 2.
2 rupee.
Keep it far. I cannot see the number. Sure. It is not 2 rupees. It's 2. Number 2 is given on that.
Yes, ma'am.
Number 2 is there. Yes. Is
One
it?
hand is doing like this. That's why.
हमारा इंडिया का कॉइन वहाँ क्या कर रहा है आपके पास?
Ma'am, I also go to India sometimes.
अच्छा, okay.
But I'm never going to go again.
And what are you having? Are those rubbers? Those on the table?
Yeah, ma'am, but I don't use this as rubbers.
They're so cute rubbers. Look at the rubbers. So cute.
Yes, ma'am.
But these rubbers are not clean. It becomes black with these rubbers, no?
No, ma'am.
It cleans nice.
Yes, ma'am.
Usually
Yeah.
these beautiful rubbers, no, when you rub with them, it becomes black. The paper becomes black. Such cute rubbers. Okay, now tomorrow, matlab Thursday, I will take a test of revision of Balinese folktale and a golden bird and suffixes. All right.
Okay, ma'am.
Prepare.
Yeah.
Understood? No. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay.
Ma'am, what is
Thursday. What?
What is
beta?
suffixes?
What?
What is suffixes?
She doesn't know suffixes.
Ma'am,
don't know?
suffixes.
Ma'am, you know, India's 20 rupees is Qatar's only 1 riyal.
1 real, no? Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
Now and for Thursday, I want you all to prepare the traditional tales, both the 2 lessons and suffixes. Hinda, go to your grammar part and check for suffixes. You will get it. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, and while your video is off, I'll put you in the waiting room. I'll remove you only out of the class next time if your video is off. Okay. Chalo now, bye everybody. See you on Thursday, beta. Okay? Please revise.
Ma'am,
Revise.
ma'am, suffix, synonyms, no.
Suffixes, beta, I've taught you all. It comes in the ending. Prefix which comes before the word. Suffix comes in the ending.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Now can I
Hi.
close? Can I end?
Yes.
What?
What you told Balinese Fuktil and what?
And
She's
Hina,
out.
don't message me again and again to ask me what is the test. Huh? I'm not so free
Ah.
to reply on WhatsApp.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
I will give a common message to everybody here. Okay, beta? Yeah. Chalo, bye-bye. See you.
Okay, ma'am, bye.
Bye. Bye.